We are back with another Threadbeast unboxing for November. You guys keep using that link. I appreciate you very, very much. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box, see what's inside. Also sending out packages this week, and if you don't know, at the end of this video, anything that I don't want, I end up giving it to you guys absolutely free. Just all you gotta do is like the video, follow me on Instagram, and hit me up on Instagram. And it is first come, first serve, so whoever hits me up first will get these items. Let's crack into this right now. It's bought. Obviously haven't done one in a minute, but you guys are still using that link, so thank you. Here's the referral card. So the first thing is the Stance Dwayne Wade collection. Wow, I didn't even know Dwayne Wade had socks, but that makes sense. These socks, black and white, some basketball socks, I'm assuming. They're mixed match, like one's black and one's white, so maybe we keep this, maybe we give it away, I don't know. That's number one. The second thing I already see is a True Religion tee. What? Got a white True Religion tee right here. Is this embezzled? This is like sewn in. The logo is like sewn in. And a black and blue embroidery. Nice little white t-shirt right there. Again, all the shirts in here are going to be large, so keep that in mind if you're going to DM me for any of this stuff. So we're going to try this on later, of course. What else do we got in here? Ooh, I kind of like this. Like, jade, maybe a jade color. This olive, look at this crew right here, this little crew neck. I really like this color. This is by Crisp, the large. I always see Crisp with the underwear that they have in other packages from other people, but apparently they make clothes, and really nice clothes, so we're gonna try that on in just a second. But I really like this color. It's like an olive almost. It's got an earthy tone. It's like almost brown, almost gray. But yeah, I think that's it for this box, unfortunately. How sad. Well, let's just go try this stuff on and see how it looks.
She just want me to stay. We've been in this room all day. Girl, I gotta go get paid. Didn't even catch your name. She just want me to stay. We've been in this room all day. Girl, I gotta go get paid.
We just tried on all that stuff, and honestly guys, I think I'm going to be giving away this whole box. Unfortunately, that Crisp crew neck didn't fit me. You saw on the sleeves, it was too long for me. But for you guys, is Threadbeast still worth it? Are you still getting boxes? Do you find that these items are still getting better or worse over time? Let me know down below if you're getting boxes or what your opinions are on Threadbeast. Giving everything away, these socks, those two shirts. So make sure to hit me on Instagram, follow me. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos coming up very soon. Thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.